So, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with this error if you are getting in while uploading the code. Um, First, I will request you to check that you have selected the correct board and port. I have selected the correct board and the correct port, but still I am getting this error. So to solve this error, first go to this website. I have given you this website link in the description. Click on that. Click on Windows exe and click on Open. And now click on Install. After it gets installed, it will come like driver install success. Click on OK. After that, close this, and then if Arduino IDE is running, then close the Arduino IDE, and then and then after that, plug your Arduino Uno board, and then open driver manager, device manager, and then go to ports com and lpt, and then you will get your USB, and then right click on it and click on properties, and after that click on driver, and then if this rollback driver option is disabled, then click on update driver, and after that click search automatically for drivers, and then afterwards Windows has successfully updated your drivers. After this comes click on close, and then now you'll get this option. Click on rollback driver, and then click on my apps don't work with this driver, and then click on yes, and then after that um, click on close, and then you should be able to upload it. Now I'm going to open my Arduino IDE, and now I'll try uploading. So now the error is solved. So this is how you can solve that error if you are getting it. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.